Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. Again, as you come in, don't forget to like up the video. Please and thank you, very important. And what we simply have here is the ears of the receptacle, a little trick that I normally use when I'm installing on the recess box. So this is called a recess block, or trade name is a rework box, we call it. So again, we have two videos here. One is designed to fit perfectly, which is this, on the box. And the other is designed for another purpose. This here is called a rework box, where we use when the drywall is finished. Once the you can use this for baseboard installation. So as you can see right here, I have my two ears here, okay, for my plate to actually sit on here properly, because this screw here and this screw here, there's going to be two screws that's going to be placed inside the baseboard, and which will essentially stop this from sitting properly onto here. So what I do is I break these two tabs off. I break these tabs off and I install my box. Install my plug, my receptacle, sorry. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Many of you might wonder why I have the example of the receptacles. There's two ways, one way to install the receptacles, and it surely isn't this. With all the copper wire showing, can be an electrical hazard. So again, in this video, I have to troubleshoot. So this is me testing my wires, and I shouldn't have no continuity between my wires. If I do, there's a problem. So again, if you ever come across a problem like this, the first thing you want to go to is your receptacle to make sure that you're going to be fixing your receptacle. And again, for all those who hasn't subscribed, you can go ahead and subscribe. Stay up to date to the content, and I hope that this video was helpful for you. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. When installing my receptacle, I always make sure that my screw and my wires that's on it is clockwise, as it will turn as it goes with the screw, and it's going to lock it in place. I also make sure that there's no copper showing at the end here, which is going to be a problem. I also make sure that my wires are paired up as it's supposed to be, and that's normally how I install my receptacle.
It goes one by one, even two by two. Everybody in the club when we.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys all for tuning into today's live stream. So I'm going to put this theory to test. I've had this plug-in tester, wonderful, great for troubleshooting, to let you know if your electrical circuit is running power. So I have this plugged in right now. I'm going to go to the panel and I'm going to start to turn my breakers on, and once this is the correct breaker, this should turn on green, and it should beep to notify me. So let's put this to the test. So again, this is the electrical room where I'm going to be fixing my breakers. As you can see, they're going to be all arc fault breakers. So let's try the first one. Not that. Push that back into the from the trick position. When you have it a new breaker, it's always in the trick position. Okay. So I heard that noise, so let's go over and see if the TV is correct. So there you have it, another receptacle that's turned on inside of the home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the other bed bedroom. This is a smaller bedroom. We're going to make sure that there's nothing that's not working here. Everything needs to be working. So this here is not. Possibly could be on another circuit. So this here is not moving. Okay, so there is no power on these receptacles. So I'm going to have to troubleshoot. So again, this is why you have to troubleshoot, and also it's best to make sure that you have your plug-in tested. Again, thank you guys for tuning into today's video, and don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel, or you can become a member of the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you